Push-ups are most fundamental bodyweight exercises and very popular, and they can be done anywhere. Hey, today I'm planning to do a video to teach push-ups. What do you think?
It's a good idea.
Yeah, I did think it. Like I can teach them very. Oh, guys, you're already here.
It is my cue.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
So today I will teach you guys to do push-ups. And if you are a person who can do push-ups, then I would suggest you to watch the video till end, because I will be telling you the mistakes, the most common mistakes in the push-ups. So if you are a beginner, come on, let's get started. Get on the floor with me. So guys, just put your hands around shoulder width apart. To check your hands if they are shoulder width apart, you can do it like this. Like you can put them like this and move them so they can shoulder width apart. Okay, fine. Now get into a full plank position, and now just get down slowly and get up. So that was a push up. If you can do it, then that's great. If you can't do it, don't worry. I will tell you another variation. So we have done normal push up right now. Now we will be changing it to knee push ups, which are like you need not go into full plank position. Just place your hands shoulder width apart and just lift, lift the ankle, go down slowly, get up. So this was a knee plank push up. So guys, if you weren't able to do normal push-ups, I guess you must be able to do the knee push-ups. And if you are able to do, get started with it. Do 10 to 20 reps of them alternative day for a week. That will help you to do a normal push-up. Not only single rep, like it will increase your strength a lot. You can do around 5 reps, I guess. So that was how I started doing push-ups. If you are a person who can do normal push-ups, but if you want to increase the repetitions of your push-ups, then you will need to do the same thing, which is called greasing the groove. If you want to do 30 push-ups and you are able to do 5 to 10 push-ups, then divide them into 2 sets or 3 sets. Like do 10 in the morning, 10 in the afternoon, and 10 in the evening or night before sleeping. So you will be able, you have done 30 push-ups a day, and do them alternatively and take rest days in between, and do it for a week or two. Then you will be able to do 30 push-ups in a row, or possibly in 2 sets, like in a routine, complete routine, with very least amount of rest time in between. So guys, now we'll move on to the most common mistakes which most of the people do while doing push-ups. So I used to train in public place, like in public garden near my home. So I have seen a lot of variations people do, like they are most funniest variations ever. Okay, guys, so let's check them. So I have first thing, arched back. Like I have seen a lot of people do that. Like most of the people do it like this. I have seen a lot of people doing that. They just bend the back. They don't hold it straight. While doing push-up, you need to focus on the core, spine, and even glutes. You need to hold them like you should be straight like a line. You need not like just do them like this. And then the next mistake I have seen a lot of people do is their arm position. While doing push up, their arms go in this way, but it's not the correct form. Like your arms should go in this way. I'll show you. A lot of people place their hands like this, so that when they are doing push up, their arms will go like this. So this is a wrong thing, and this may lead to injuries. So to do them correct, just move the arms like this and get into push up position. Do it. So the next mistake is range of motion. Like a lot of people do the half reps. They don't do it completely. They should do the complete variation, the complete motion. Like see now, I'll be going as much as I can, and then I'll be getting up straight. And I've seen a lot of people do like this. This is not a proper form. You are not even going it till the point So you need to get down as much as possible and get up. And the other thing is, I've seen a lot of people do like this. They are not straightening their arms. You need to get into full stretched. They should be stretched a lot, like till open. Trust me, guys. This is for the game. If you want to see your gains, you need to do the quality push-ups. Like you need to be in a good form, quality over quantity. If you are doing 50 push-ups without proper form, then it's useless. It's kind of useless, not properly useless. Uh, Thank you so much, guys, for watching the video. I hope you drop a like and subscribe. Peace.